Have you ever thought about getting veneers done? Well, if so, then China is the place to go. We traveled all the way to Huangshan, China and visited the Huangshan International Dental Hospital. Not only is this hospital bright and clean, it is also aesthetically pleasing, and it offers a wide variety of helpful information about dental hygiene, making sure you keep your teeth clean, keep up with your dental visits, and with the most advanced and modern technology. This hospital also offers a pediatric dentistry for kids and teaches kids about their overall oral hygiene and what they need to do to prevent cavities and overall oral cleanliness. Speaking of high tech, isn't this little robot guy cute? I wanted to take him home so bad. So this is day one of our dental visit. We did meet with some of the staff at the dental hospital, and also too, since this is an international hospital, they do have assistants here that speak English that can help you. You will need to fill out paperwork, which don't worry because the paperwork does have an English conversion. Here in the lobby, you can see a wall of all the dentists in the office here, plus a list of their qualifications. They do offer tea and snacks for beverage, and they also offer me this water. And again, here on the wall in the lobby are a list of the doctors, plus their calendar for the month. So Li here is going to be helping us throughout our whole entire procedure. She stayed with us to help with any of the translations that we needed done in English. So the first thing they had Mella do was get an x-ray of her mouth. This process was very fast. I want to say it took about maybe 3 minutes for them to do the full x-ray. And then we go into the office and discuss what Mella's personal goals are for her teeth. Everybody's teeth is different. Everybody's goals are going to be different. So it is important to make sure that you know the desired look that you have, and also too to bring a couple pictures to show the doctor. Now we're meeting with Dr.Li. He is the expert in the veneers. He's going to go over again with Mella what her desired look is for her teeth and definitely check over her x-rays. And he wants to give her an exam to make sure that he does the placement right and perfect for Mella's desired look. So Mella does have a gap on the top and the bottom of her teeth, and years ago she did get some type of implant just on those two teeth to kind of close the gap, but unfortunately for her the gap did open back up and she just does not like that look, and she wanted something like veneers to permanently close her gap. So she does have to do some blood work just to make sure her overall health is good. This hospital does have the blood work right here in the hospital. They also had a pharmacy as well for patients who may need some medications for their aftercare. Dr. Li is very serious about his work. He does like to make sure he gets very good before and after pictures of the patients. And you will see at the end of this video, Mella's amazing before and after pictures. So to prep Mella's teeth for the veneers, she did need to get her teeth cleaned. So she goes in here to one of the dental hygienists and they're going to clean her teeth for her. It's just a quick cleaning, just to clean the surface of the teeth. Now this part was very cool. This is a 3D digital scan to get the exact model of Mella's teeth. And you can watch the 3D image come up on the computer as she scans the inside of Mella's mouth. So no more biting into that messy putty. This 3D scan is going to measure the teeth and the space of the gums to make sure you get the desired look that you want. So it did take a day for the 3D image to come through, and this is the bottom of Mella's teeth, the mold that they printed, and here's the picture of the top. So the doctor is going to go in and numb her mouth and put the temporary veneers in her mouth. But first, he does have to shave down her teeth before he puts the temporary veneers on. Dr. Li did mention to us with the temporary veneers on, it will take a day or two to put the actual permanent veneers on. During that time, the doctor did advise Mella not to eat or drink anything too hot or cold, or to eat anything too hard that would chip the teeth. And after removing the mold, you can see some of the temporary veneers that are on her teeth. We're just so in shock seeing her. She has not seen herself without a gap, I don't think ever. On day 3, the porcelain veneers are getting fabricated in the laboratory they have in the hospital. So we had some downtime and decided to check out Oldtown, Huangshan. This is the historic Old Town area of Huangshan and one of the best preserved traditional commercial streets in the country. This area is about 600 plus year old, dating back all the way to the early Ming period. It is also known as living version of Along the River during Qingming Festival, which is a famous Chinese painting. And it used to be a major trading hub where merchants sold tea, silk, medicine, and more, especially during the Ming and Qing dynasties. The buildings all have white walls and black tile roofs that look like the classic Huangshan architecture. The streets and alleyways are all made of stone, and the storefronts are wooden with traditional signings. It literally feels like walking in ancient China. We did come back at night to see what Old Town looks like lit up at night, and let me tell you, it is absolutely breathtaking. The buildings are so beautiful, unlike anything I've ever seen. And of course, you know we had to try the food. This was Kung Pao chicken and fried rice made by this lady right here. She was so sweet. When you come for your dental visit, make sure you stop by Old Town in Huangshan, China. It's the final day to have the veneers placed on. Right here, the doctor is just lining up all of the permanent veneers, and he will then go in and remove Mella's temporary veneers that she has on. Dr. Li has been so amazing through this entire process. Mella said that this stuff barely even hurt. She did have on some numbing cream, but you guys, I don't think you're ready for these results. Look at that. Look at that smile. I have never seen her smile like this. She is so happy that she got her new teeth. Baby, y'all can't tell her nothing. Look at that. Now, I know y'all been waiting on the price of these veneers. So for 16 veneers, the total is 9,800 RMB or 1,422 USD. Now, y'all need to make sure you come out here to see Dr. Li for your dental veneers at Huangshan International Dental Hospital.